Alright guys, coilovers, guard rolling, VF Commodore, let's go.
Package. Dealership didn't have time to tag it. I whipped that out the parking lot like I was dead broke and I couldn't have it. Swipe that piece of plastic. Rode around Nashville for 3 hours, listening to beats, waiting for the magic. Swung by the crib, grabbed willpower, hit the bar, across the bar. Valet parked my brand new car. Threw the keys and when you're moving, please be careful and don't go too far. Took a second and soaked it in. Couldn't wipe off my green. Look at Will, can you believe it, man? Just wait till I get them twins. That's hard work. I had to do a lot of yard work. I had to pick up that white trash so I could better my artwork. I had to cut my own pad and do something that had never been done. Alabama ain't no cakewalk. I showed the world how we pop that trunk. And it's 1 shot down, 2 shot down, 3. And this old boy keeps looking at me. He walks up to us, then offers me a drink. I know that he wants to hang, he must think that I'm a tree. Wanna be rock and roll, he starts rambling about who he knows and where he's been and how many records he sold with who and how and this and that. And I can't pretend to like this, even though he's got the booster, has the leather and the do-rag. Then he told me he wrote for so-and-so, is just so whack.
Don't wanna be the supermodel for the clothes you wear. Don't pull a seat up cause you see me in my folding chair. Congratulations, hope your mama's proud of what you've done. But she may be the only one, cause from over here, you just a from over here, a lion, a thief, and from over here, you make us sick. From over here, it's wicked to get rich, don't come over here.
Black shot jacket, black Harley, blue cases, 38, OG. Creatively a newborn baby, from the G to the A.D. Went from the creek to a love story. Went from a single wide trailer to the boots alligator in a high rise over the streets. Ran through the dirty south in cleats. Never lost touch, never got beat. A lot of rappers talk about who's doing what. Not a single one said about me. Now that's respect. Can't buy that with a bat or a check. Better check the beat. I'm mob with kings. Crown my head with a tattoo slung. Make sure it reads, no more at sea. Go message in a bottle. Deliver my words like desperado. Misfits under my umbrella. I hope these songs fulfill the sorrow. Take the bricks so you can build tomorrow. Like a Freemason, claw and arrow. Free bird, a prophet sparrow. Flying through hip-hop, rock and meadow. And while that clock is ticking, I won't let a soul live and stop my vision. Give me that bucket and a mop to dip and I'll shine that floor until it's popping prisms. Till you see the colors of the rainbow dancing off my box Chevy. Don't try to fill up my gas tank or my shoes, homie, you ain't ready. And if imitation is flattery, I don't lack on the flattery. I just let gatherings of them all run with the magic. Go back to my cabin and charge up my battery.
Don't wanna be the supermodel for the clothes you wear. Don't pull a seat up cause you see me in my folding chair. Congratulations, hope your mama's proud of what you've done. But she may be the only one, cause from over here.
Well, you wouldn't hear about it, but I nearly tin-assed getting it perfect. The front's 5mm lower than she wanted, but the back's an inch lower, so the back's exactly where she wanted it. However, I've sent her pictures of the car and she wants to go down just another 10mm. So I'm going to go off those measurements and drop the whole car down 10mm and then make sure it's all level. So it's actually out of, it's actually low on the driver's side factory. So don't know what's going on there. Yeah, we'll set it so that it's all level, 10mm lower than those measurements there, and then I'll lock away the suspension, and then after that we can get into the guards.